Hello, hello. Chantecaille sent over the Flamingo collection. This collection, beautiful. Okay, we can get that out of the way. But it also supports the Amazon conservation team and their efforts and their work in protecting the flamingos and their ecosystem. So this collection includes 2 eye trios and 4 lip cheeks. I'm going to share all the details with you. We're going to swatch, we're going to try everything on, and we're going to see all the details, all the things. Let's get into it, shall we? Let's get into the packaging details and the story behind this collection, and then we'll get into swatches and creating looks. But as always, links to everything and timestamps are always down below. And if you toggle on the screen on the status bar, you'll see them as well. So the Chantecaille Flamingo Collection. Now this collection, it's limited edition, and it was created to support the Amazon conservation team. And it's helping empower the local communities to protect flamingos and their ecosystem. That conservation tie-in is one of the reasons I love to support Chantecaille so much. Let's start off with the Dawn Eye Trio. Of the 2 palettes, this one is the warmer, and it's inspired by flamingo feathers and tropical skies. So you get a pearlized garnet, a warm pink sateen, and lustrous pale pink. This trio includes a matte, a shimmer, and a satin. Let's swatch. Swatching, the textures are nice and silky and smooth. One swipe pigment. Let's go into the Dusk Eye Trio. This one's a bit cooler in tone and slightly deeper. In this palette, we've got a shimmery taupe, an opalescent pink, and a deep amethyst. Pearl, shimmer, and satin finishes in this trio. Let's swatch. The depth in the amethyst gives this trio more evening potential, while still keeping it soft and quite wearable. So Dusk is a bit cooler, a little bit deeper, and then Dawn is warmer and a bit lighter. Both very, very beautiful. Now let me share with you the 4 limited edition shades in the Lip Chics. The Chantecaille Lip Chic, it's more of their glossy lipstick formula. Think of a glossy balm but pigment. Very comfortable, very wearable, beautiful formula. Very hydrating, smoothing, and juicy and luminous. Personally, one of my favorites when it comes to lipsticks because it's so hydrating and comfortable. I'm going to start off with this shade. I believe it's pronounced Jacaranda. This shade is described as a rich rosewood. The packaging, magnetic. It's very pretty. One swipe, but I will build it up. So comfortable, and they glide on the lips so nicely. Very easy formula. So here she is swatched and applied. Next up is Camu Camu. This is described as a wild orchid. One swipe. It was a little crooked. Sorry. Oh, that's pretty. What's nice is you don't have to go on full build it up bright. You keep it soft, but let's build it up. This really is a pretty shade. Look at her. And so easy to apply. Very creamy. So here she is swatched and applied. So pretty. Next up is Guava. This is a vibrant coral. And for reference, here are the shade tone differences in the packaging. One is a little bit more gold. The other is like a pinky. Ooh, that's fun. One swipe. This is a fun one. Yeah. All right. So here she is again, swatched and then applied. And then we have Stella. Stella is a salmon pink. My bone is right there, so I'm gonna go down. One swipe. And then there's Stella. With these lippies, you just want to keep going like this because it's so comfortable and smooth. Stella, again swatched and applied. This is really pretty. So here's the Flamingo Collection color story. Both trios and all 4 lip colors. Let's get to getting these on the eyes. Let's start off with Dawn. I'm going to pick up this shade and I'm going to apply this. Just pack it on the brush. I'm going to apply this on my outer eye, in the outer eye area. I'm going to start by patting before I blend, just for placement. Nice and soft and pretty. This is going to make a beautiful one and done. Oh, yes. So again, I'm just patting for placement and keeping it on the outer eye area. That nice little V, if you will. I'm going to go back in, pick up a little bit more, tap, and very softly begin to blend. Because this palette, for me, in my humble opinion, it feels softer, while as yes, you could totally amp it up if you'd like, and also depending on your skin tone. But for this look, I'm going to keep it soft. So this shade I'm using to give just a touch of definition. Blending beautifully, that's for sure. Look at that. Now I'm going to pick up this shade. This I'm going to apply all over the lid. And when I get to the inner corner, I'm going to use it to just brighten the eye up. I'm going to go pick up some more. I'm going to touch back into the previous shade just to make sure we don't lose that pretty blend. And of course, we want just a little touch of sparkle. I don't mind sparkle for my everyday. So I'm just taking up on the finger, patting any excess, and I'm going to focus this right on the center portion of my lid. So pretty. Retouch the inner corner. I'm going to pick up this shade and right on the lower lash. Bring everything together nice and softly. This is my Chantecaille Brightening Eye Kaujal. I'm going to put this in the waterline and we'll pull it together with Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara. Practical colors, easy wearing formula. You get a touch of color, but it's not to the point where it's not comfortable and still wearable for your anytime, any day. All right, shall we create a look with Dusk? I'm going to start off with the shade here. Tap the excess. This, I am going to put this in my crease and just keep it in the crease. I'm not going to bring it up above it. I think I want to make this look a vampy smoky look, because I know you can already see with this color story you could totally do a soft wearable look but still a little bit more elevated, but I feel that I want more since we did this one already so soft. So let's just pack this on and let's put this all over the lid. I'm actually going to change brushes because I want more. That's a little too fluffy, too safe. We want to build this color on, so let's. And I'm bringing this right up into that first shade that we put into the crease. No problem. I'm going to take my finger and just pat it a little bit more. Oh, yes. These shadows work very well with finger application, which I don't mind. Do it plenty. Now I can go back in with this shade, tap that excess, and blend in the crease. Let's go into this shade here, and we'll use this on the inner corner. And let's bring that same vibe down on the lower lash. And for this eye, I will go in with my eye kaujal in the black shade for the waterline. For a bit more of a dramatic look, if you will, a little bit more, this is still so soft and pretty. I can tell you right now, this shade, this is going to make for a beautiful one and done. This is so gorgeous. And then a little bit of this on the inner corner, or another look could be this on the outer eye, this on the lid. Or another look could be this all over the lid, this on the... I know, it's just 3 shades, but I see a good amount of looks with it. Dusk and Dawn have created 2 very beautiful looks, both quite wearable, both very, very easy to create. Formulas were great to work with. Now, what lip? What lip? This one could be fun for this look, right? This is Camu Camu. Yeah, this one can work for either looks. Yeah, okay. Let's see what Guava looks like. Guava is so pretty. Yeah, Guava would definitely work for the softer look. And then Stella. Stella for sure could work with both of these looks very easily. Stella is giving your lips but better. Yeah. Okay, come through, Stella. This collection, it feels soft. It feels very wearable, and it also feels very romantic. Did you know this? I don't know if anybody knew this. I recently found this out. Obviously, this is the Flamingo collection. The colors are inspired by flamingos. Did you know that, you know those pretty pink hues that you see on the flamingos? They're bright. Some of them are really bright and bold and very, very pretty. Did you know that when you see another flamingo and the colors are kind of faded and it almost looks like a super pale pink? Do you know why? Because that's how much she has given. I'm sure a lot of us are faded flamingo moms out there. Okay, I digress. back to the collection, Monique. I don't know, it was just something that I found out recently that I wanted to share. I love that both trios give you pinks that don't feel overwhelming. And the color story for these lip cheeks really complete this collection. I like that you have the bolder options and then you have the softer wearable options. Either way, you're getting that really comfortable formula that the Lip Chic offers. Both have a beautiful color story. It's just going to depend on what you're looking for or what you prefer. If you more so prefer something a little bit more depth, a little bit more leaning a little cooler toned, you'll probably like Dusk, but it's still quite wearable. It also comes down to technique. Go in with a fluffy brush with this shade for a softer wash of color on the lid for a one and done, and then pop either one of these on the inner corner. So Dusk gives you variety, but it's going to give you a little bit more depth. On is your soft everyday girl, but yes, depending on your skin tone, you can amp this up a bit. But for me, this is really perfect for everyday. One and dones with each. I love this look that I was able to create. And I do like that I can go in with just these two and keep it soft and not have the sparkle. But we love a little sparkle. I love a little sparkle for the daytime. I love a little sparkle for the anytime. So Dawn is that girl if you want a little softer, everyday kind of vibe. Let's continue this conversation. Definitely let me know which trio you like more and what color from the Lip Chic is your favorite. Let's talk about it. Comment down below. Thank you for letting me share the Chantecaille Flamingo collection with you, and thank you for spending a part of your day with me. If you've enjoyed today's video, take a moment and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.